Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, I welcome Mr. Rohit Tapaliyal, and he will talk about usage of robotics and drones in agriculture sector. I now request the speaker to begin. Thank you. Please start, sir.
Hi, this is Rohit Tapaliyal here, and I'm speaking from Noida Sector 63, and our company name is Dtown Robotics. Actually, we're a robotics company startup, and yeah, we deal with the drones, and we are mostly focused on agriculture and commercial and defensive and educational lines of drones. Yes. Coming to today's topic, I just want to say is nowadays there is a you know there is a vast change coming on. That is Industrial Revolution 4.0. There is a big change coming in the industry where the technological and the agriculture field are getting combined. Am I audible to everyone?
You are audible, sir, very much.
Yeah.
Please proceed.
So I'm just saying is now the time has come with new which we can say it is a new era of combination of a technological space and agriculture space to for the better productivity of a mankind. So today I present you you know we say agro agro our what we can say unmanned drone, and we name it as agro. So we can say that it is an it is a quadcopter. It is a drone which will provide assistance in spraying a chemical, spraying all the organic chemicals and pesticides to your crops, to the crops where where you grow your crops. So and it is mostly there is no any such kind of highly technical expertise is required. I just wanted to say is we have created such kind of drones that will help even the farmers and uh, the people who are actually in the agriculture sector in many specific ways, just like providing pesticides to your crops, providing fertilizers to your crop, and testing the soil with accuracy and precise data, and collecting a precise data. So that kind of specific and highly accurate task will be done by our drone. So it will reduce your labor cost. It will obviously reduce the what do you say, the intervention of human in the field. It will obviously give you convenience in any type of agriculture field works, and it will be autonomous. So I'm just trying to say is automation is now becoming part of your sustainable agriculture sector. Am I audible to everyone?
Sir, you are audible, sir. Any issue, I will alert you.
So
Okay.
that is why see on the screen I've shared you our company's profile. Uh, is it visible?
Yes, sir. Who we are, right?
Yeah. So wait a second.
Not moving.
See. So this is our company logo, and we are Dtown Robotics Private Limited. We had started this company 5 years ago, 7 years ago on 2018. So it was mostly based on the providing automatic drone systems to the farmers and to the defense personals according to their requirements. We are providing at least four types of drones in the market. It is Monal UAV. We name it as Monal UAV, and it is RH1NU UAV, and we say Nano UAV. Yeah, and we have named it according to the specifications and the task they do. So let me go through the slide. Actually, I'm showing to you. It will be far much more. It will be much more. Will be clearer to you. So this is who we are. Our profile is 2020. According to this year, we are DTR. We are robotics company working in the design and development of unmanned aerial and ground robots for defense and agriculture applications. Our vision is to enhance human capabilities through human-machine interaction. Obviously, we provide what do you say? Friendly user in a combo with the machine, with a drone and a human. So that the task is done conveniently and accurately. So this is our mission. Are mostly the challenges faced in the industries are the dull, dusty, and dangerous operational tasks by human. So it will these kind of tasks will be done by our drones and our robotics, which we provide to you. I think I'm not going so much fast, right?
No, sir, it's very clear. Please.
See, and according to our specialization and with the team we have recognitions also, and these are the recognitions we have got till now. So before we could start this project, providing drones, we got this idea by the problem faced by the kisan, the farmers uh, of our society. So this is the you can see the daily operational task done by the two pillars of our nation, Jawan and Kisan, currently involves 100% human interaction. But obviously, the drones will give them a huge boost in their work and in their work culture. The absence of human machine interaction has led to asset loss. Obviously, if we could had this kind of drones technology and this kind of technological advancement 10-20 years before, then we could have made huge profits in the market in terms of food production also. See, the countries who have this kind of technological space in their agri-tech sector, their costing is low and the production is too high. Mostly the European countries are into it. So that is why the the country's economy is their country's economy has boosted so much faster than us. Even after being the second largest food provider, we couldn't make such kind of precise decision and precise what do you say, analytical thinking regarding the kisan sector, the agriculture sector, and we couldn't get involved in so much into sustainability. But with the drone technology, we have penetrated every what do you say, with the drone technology we have penetrated in the market, and yes, obviously it has shown some results also. Yes, obviously. We have these drones to minimize our, human effort. See, here at DTR, we are on a mission to minimize human effort by unleashing the power of cutting-edge robotics solutions. Our products are, I really want everyone to be, very much focused. So, because these are our products. do please go through. So Monal UAV. So Monal UAV is actually a full stack UAV solution. It is mostly used for surveillance and security purpose. And it has an inbuilt intelligent analytics. It weighs up to 600 gram all up to weight. And yes, it is fully autonomous with a flight time. Yes, we can boast about the flight time. It's obviously 40 minutes. I hope it is visible to everyone, right?
Yes, sir, it is visible. Any issue, I'll tell you.
So, ma'am, may I know your good name?
Sir, Dhanlakshmi, yes, sir. Tell me.
Yeah, I'm Dhanlakshmi. So, how do you think, our products are, so much helpful to you? Can you just, I'm just trying to, interlink with each other because I don't, believe in speaking by myself. I also want my audience, to be much more interactive. So,
Sir, I am not technically sound, sir, so I will not be knowing about it. Mr. Nair, we have one participant, sir. We'll check with him. Mr. Nair? Sir, can you please unmute your mic, sir? Mr. Nayan Mohanty? Sir, you proceed, sir, and recording the... Yes, sir. Please. Sir, our speaker would like to ask you a feedback, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir,
please talk, sir. Mr. Rohit.
Yeah, sir, actually, Mr. Nayan Monty, I just wanted to say, have you seen drones, in the fields? I think now the drones are, very much common everywhere. Since I think you're from Bangalore, right?
No, I am from Odisha, Balangir.
No, I'm just saying is okay from Odisha. So have you seen some drones, flying over here?
During festival, some photography.
Yeah, and obviously for the photography also, right?
Photography.
Yeah.
And our forest department here is using some kind of drone for surveillance of a fire.
Yes. So obviously
While
for the surveillance, sir, right now you are seeing for your surveillance purpose, right now you are seeing Monal UAV. So if you are watching at your screen, this Monal UAV, and yes, it is the best drone right now we have made up for the surveillance purpose, and it has automatic, analytics, intelligent analytics system. It can analyze data and make specific decisions also. See, and it is patented. The good thing is, it is patented also. So coming to the next drone, we have RH1NO UGV. We name it. It is a drone. That is actually a four-wheel robot drone. It is mostly used to carry 500 kg load with a 720p HD camera, as you can see on your screen.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
And it can endure up to 6 hours. It can endure the load up to 6 hours. So these are the specifications on the screen. See, you can stop me if I'm going out of track for
sir, you can proceed and explain, sir, so that
sir, it will be better.
Yeah. Can you explain about the product, sir?
Yeah. The product is since you are seeing the RH1NO UGV, it is by the picture we can analyze it. It is a four-wheel robot drone with with the aluminum built body, and it can carry up to 500 kgs. The interesting part is it has a 720p HD camera, and it can endure up to 6 hours. Yes, the basebands which it operates is 4G to 5G, and can transition smoothly across tough terrains. You can say it is a replacement, for the heavy trucks that you have to deal with, daily. The unmanned, this unmanned drone will, this robot will be, very much useful in your, what do you say, the defensive tasks, for carrying, some, if there is any war going on, the army, it will be mostly be usable by the army. They can carry up to 500 kg loads of bombs, or what do you say, the weapons when required if there is any war going on. And obviously, there will be no any loss of life, or any no loss of anything. It is just a machine, and it will do your work very easily. So coming to the third part, we do have agro UAV. So agro UAV, we can say is a drone made of aviation grade aluminum. Yes, obviously, and it can, cover a less than acre land in 12 minutes. That is the best part. I think it is, very much, what do you say? Eh, It is a surprising part. We have this kind of machines getting, manufactured by our company, that there is a drone that can, that can irrigate your land, 1 acre land, in less than 12 minutes, and can spray organic fertilizers, micronutrients, and nano urea. And the good part is, if you want to see your crops growing well, if you want to see this soil getting well fertilized, then it has 720p live video HD camera, and it can obviously fly for 15 minutes. I hope it is visible to you.
Sir, visible, sir. Please proceed, sir. Please proceed.
And our the fourth product is, and UAV. It is a, if you see, we say, if your drone is, heavier than, I think, 249 gram or something. Yes, 249 gram. Then you have to get a license to fly it, right? But this drone, and UAV, is, is actually, by name you can use, you can see Nuno UAV drone that can break barriers of lightweight and license-free flying in India. So, just like our Nayan Mohanty sir saying, I think you have seen these drones, in the marriages. Is it, sir?
Yes, yes, sir. This one.
Okay. So mostly they use this kind of drones. Coming to it, we have 50 plus clients across the board now. And yes, units of drones sold. These are our achievements till now. You can see on the screen. This is the 2,000 acre area covered by spraying. This is the biggest achievement I think we have had, and we have actually educated children also. We went to the schools and taught them about the new technology that has evolved in drone technology. We have taught them and educated the children for their better future. 7,000 children and 1,500-kilometer area covered for surveillance. So, Nayan sir, any questions?
What is the cost of this one? Nano.
Sorry?
Price of nano
Nano UAV. Sir,
Ah.
actually, the price is right now not mentioned. If any specifications, I will get confirmed by the accounts department, and I will surely, share it to you on WhatsApp, because the price are getting right now. I think they are getting discussed.
Okay, okay, sir.
But
No
yeah,
problem.
surely it will be much more cheaper than other drone companies, because we believe in good marketing also.
Sir.
So you're done with your presentation, sir? Or you have anything more?
Sorry.
You still have the presentation, sir? Or you have completed it?
No, these are our CEOs who have founded the company. You can go through it. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I've
sir.
shared the presentation.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for your presentation. Sir, I will take up questions. Can you please stop sharing the screen, sir, so that we can see your full video?
What is it? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll go on to the questions now. Are there any challenges or limitations associated with the adoption of robotics and drones in agriculture? How are these being addressed?
No, ma'am. There is now, if you see, going back to the 10 years, it would have been a great challenge. But since now the data is very much easily available, even a single 15 years old boy can create a drone by watching on the YouTube channel, and obviously they can create if they have the talent. So I think there is now not so much big challenges with manufacturing the drone for the agriculture industry. There are so many players in the market that can do this job very well.
Okay. How do robotics and drones help in monitoring crop health and detecting diseases or pests early on?
Yeah, sure. See, the drones can, obviously, they can analyze the data. But obviously, if you wanted to know that your crops will grow well, then obviously you will have the data at first, in what conditions your crops can grow well, right? Then the drone can, you can fly the drone towards the agriculture field and know what is the temperature there. You can also, you can say, you can know what kind of soil condition, the soil condition you have there. We can, there are programs that can, there are programs in the drones that can actually identify, analyze, what kind of precise data is required for for your crops to grow well. So, the drone will actually match out the data, and then it will give you the specific answer, the humidity, and you can say the temperature, and the soil composition. So yeah, it can be
Okay.
helpful.
Okay. What are the economic implications of implementing robotics and drones in agriculture? Are
They,
they cost effective in long run?
obviously, ma'am, see, if you plow a field, if you want to in India, if you want to fertilize a field, I think you would require 5 to 10 men, or otherwise you can say 2 to 3, 4 men, if you have 2 to 3 acre of lands to fertilize the field. But see, if you have a drone by yourself, then the data, then the work is done in a very convenient way. The machine doesn't get tired. It knows how much to do and what to do. All you need is a, the drone operator standing by, in a corner, and the hard work will be done by the machine. And yes, it is cost effective, because it can, you can say, you can simultaneously do many tasks at a single go, and it will be precise and accurate.
Okay. How do advancements in artificial intelligence enhance the capabilities of agricultural robots and drones?
Yes, the artificial intelligence is a very much big help. See, if the drone has the artificial intelligence capability, obviously, uh, artificial intelligence itself is a neural network. It will have its own thinking capability of how if we feed the data that is mostly required for a good crop to grow and good vegetation to grow, then it will obviously analyze the data and it will integrate it in a better form. It will find thousands of different ways to do it in a better way than a single human or 5 to 10 humans that can think of the same task. So I think having artificial intelligence in the drone for the agriculture field, it can also specify. See, if you have a crop that is getting rotten in a corner, most of the time the humans or the human eye or us, we make the errors. We cannot see it. But yes, with drones with such kind of capability and high specific camera and intelligence, yes, we can spot out the actual problem and we can implement the solution on it. So I think artificial intelligence is a very good step, including in the drone, and obviously it will be very much be helpful in the agriculture sector. It will give us the precise data. That is a good thing. With the precise data, without getting tired, that's a big boost.
Okay. Sir, can you tell some examples of successful case studies or real world applications of robotics and drones in agriculture?
Yeah, as I can say, since we have seen, we have 2000 lands, 2000-acre lands that had been irrigated by our drones, right? So you know the first thing is the cost. There was no actually, you can say, the minimal labor cost. There was actually no requirement of any human intervention. Only a drone operator and an information what is required for the crops. And the next thing is we just saw is what do you say, in the disaster management also the drones gave us specific data that is required. If you can see in the hilly areas, you know humans cannot go so much upwards in the hill areas, or as you can say, there is no such kind of movement. But with drones we can make, actually, we can have a precise data with drones, with a flying machine. It is very easy to do. So we have seen the implications, and it is very easy to use and very easy to resolve all kinds of our technical and required problems. So I think, yeah, we also had meetings with the defense personals, and actually they were very much impressed by our products that we were selling. It was the best thing was it was and cheap, and it reduced their costs. And yes, they were having the required amount. The good part with the drone is it can do the specific task that you require.
Okay. What role do government policies play in promoting or hindering the adoption of robotics and drones in agriculture?
Yeah, government is actually, you can say, kind of providing subsidies to manufacture the drones. And yeah, the setup is being done by the team by ourselves. But yeah, government is actually pushing the, you can say, pushing for the educational expertise, just like, you can say, Skill India. They are actually providing the platform for us to train people for the drone technology and new technologies via Skill India programs. And with government policies, obviously some components or you can say the required specified components required for the drones are getting cheaper. They are actually what do you say? They are funding it some kind of there is tax relaxations, and they are very much interested in our products because obviously it is making a difference.
Okay. Are there any ethical considerations surrounding the use of robotics and drones in agriculture, such as job displacement or data privacy concerns?
No, there is no any such kind of problems for data privacy concerns. I think for like for the data privacy, we do have we'll have a cloud infra for your data protection also. And yes, there are some guidelines, with drones which are heavier than 429 gram will obviously require license to fly in that zone, fly in the area, fly in this specific area. So there are some ethical guidelines also. And yes, if we are manufacturing a drone, then we have to be specific, and that data is to be shared to the government what we are manufacturing.
Okay. How does your company collaborate with local farmers, agricultural organizations, or government agencies in Uttar Pradesh to understand their needs and tailor solution accordingly?
We have actually directly faced the we actually went through the data and then directly faced the farmers face to face. We went to them. We tried to know actually what was their problem, and what is the actual what kind of actual collaboration setup we can make for them and the drone itself. So most of them had positive feedback, and you can say the government was also very much interested because obviously it was saving the labor cost. But you can say there is no job loss, only that farmer is getting updated with a new technology. That is what we are doing.
Okay. What are the main challenges faced by Dtown Robotics in promoting the adoption of agricultural robotic technology, and how do you overcome these challenges?
See, the challenges are actually reaching out in the market because right now we are actually the new players here. So, so getting the good clients and getting people, getting just to say, convey our message is not so much easier. And obviously, there is much more requirement of government support also. I think government should be far much more indulged in helping us out to reach to the needy ones with the technological advancement for the technological advancement. The next thing is there is a communication gap. You see, for these past decades, we have seen the farmers never had been indulged in technological advancements. So I think directly facing them right now, it is a bit challenging also because it is not easy for us to teach them the new technology as required. There is some faith issue because of the past experiences they had. They never went through the technological space, but right now, yeah, most of them are now very much curious, and they you can say most of the people are coming with full-fledged thinking. They want to do something with the drone.
Okay. How can interested parties such as farmers or agricultural organizations get in touch with Dtown Robotics to learn more about your products and services?
Yeah, we have our YouTube channel. We are mostly penetrating the market via digital medias, LinkedIn, and yes, via newspaper also. And yeah, if they really wanted to get in contact with us, we have our company registered on the internet, and we have provided all kinds of contact that is needed.
Okay, I have completed the questions from my side, sir. Mr. Nayan Mohanty, you have any questions, sir? If you have any question, you can unmute your mic and ask, sir.
No.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. We have now completed the round of questions. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, we like to thank Mr. Rohit for the talk and for answering the questions. I like to also thank all the participants in the meeting. This meeting will now be closed.
Thank you.
You're most welcome, sir.